And it is incredibly important to also talk about you and your clients. There's been never a time that is so important to have your finances in check. I know I've been blowing your phone up as I've been going through my finances, and I know I'm not the only small business. Never has there been a time that we have to know what our books look like, where our money goes, and how to then apply for assistance, how to use this as an opportunity to pivot, how to use this as an opportunity to grow. So let's talk a little bit about that, the importance of having your financial house in order.
Yeah, I mean, if you are an operational business, so let's put the startups aside who haven't gotten to that place yet. But if you're a small business and you've been in operation for at least a year, um, you're going to notice that as these SBA packages come out, they're asking for specific things. Now they have streamlined applications. They're not as complicated as they first were when it dropped. But they still, want to know certain things about, your revenue, your cost of goods sold, what are your payroll expenses, the differences, between maybe your contractors and your employees, and, do you have documentation of these things, and have you filed your taxes, for 2019? If you haven't done it for 2019, did you file it for 2018? And so there are all these things that I think sometimes as small business owners, we might put off until a certain time of the year, but it's in times like this that having your documents like together is so important. I would say one of the other professions or industries that's doing really well right now is the CPAs, the accountants, right? Because everyone's going to them realizing that to get assistance, they have to have their books in order. And
Yeah.
so I've talked to a lot of my accountant friends who are like, their phones are ringing off the hook about these SBA applications because so many people are realizing I don't have my stuff together. And so
I'm not gonna lie, I spent 4 hours yesterday just to figure out the number I needed to put on the PPP application. And you think you have it, but you don't. Even though the taxes are filed, they need very specific numbers. And I had to come to you. I'm like, does this count as what this, and does that count? And but it's also complicated and overwhelming for a lot of people, right?